So I often have a little bit of leftover roast vegetables in the fridge, and when I was looking at my sweet potato one day, I thought I'm going to pull together a really wholesome, savoury snack. And there came about this recipe, which is a sweet potato, zucchini and egg muffin. Simple as it sounds. We'll first get our zucchini prepped. Now you could grate the zucchini, but I'm a big fan of the spiralizer, as we've recently discovered. So we're going to spiral the zucchini, and you'll just want to spiral or grate one zucchini, enough because we're only going to make about 6 of these little muffins so that they stay nice and fresh in the fridge for a couple of days or 3 days worth of snacks. All right, so that's ready to go. We've got our zucchini noodles all prepped. We'll keep this for another day's worth of inspiring snacks, and then arrange into each of our muffin tins. So they'll provide almost like a little nest for the rest of the ingredients to fall into. And the nature of zucchini being quite water dense and also being prepped in this way where it's quite thin is that you don't have to cook it in advance. You can just pop it straight in raw, and then it's a really simple, easy snack that's protein rich but also gets some veggies into your snacks too. We'll pop some caramelised onion in next. So a little bit, probably about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of your caramelised onion into each of the muffin cases. And then our sweet potato goes in. And I love the sweet caramelised nature of the roasted sweet potato too. What you want to be thinking about though is that we have our final ingredient, which is the egg. Now we're not going to whisk the eggs, we're going to crack them straight into each of the muffin holes. I do love eggs. They're a great way to get your protein into snacks and meals. They're rich in vitamin D, they're a good source of iron, and they're so convenient and economical. So if you haven't left enough room, this is your time to make a little bit of space, because when we crack the egg, we need the egg white to drop and have some space in the muffin case so that it doesn't spill all over the edges. And then we crack our eggs in. Now I go slowly with this so I can sort of manage where the egg white falls into the muffin, and then you allow the yolk to fall onto the top, and that'll be what will be seen at the top of this delicious little savoury muffin. So we'll finish cracking the eggs into each of the muffins, and then you pop it into a 200-degree oven to bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Well, these look excellent, don't they? Sweet potato, caramelised onion, zucchini, and an egg to finish. Simple, delicious, protein rich, and a super wholesome snack.